Hey, it's Claire and Mike at the Johnson team. Thanks for checking out the video. Okay, so we know December can be super distracting. And, we're out there showing houses. We got Christmas lights going up. It is really, really nice for buyers that when they show up at a house, have that Christmas tree on. Have those lights on, have it all set up, make the house smell good. We've been out showing a ton of houses.
Yeah, and we don't really think about it. It comes up really fast, but all of a sudden at 4 p.m. it's dark. The sun's going down by 4 o'clock, and then you have a 4:30 showing once everyone gets off of work, or even 5 p.m., and it's pitch black out. So we want to make sure that we have a flashlight on us at all times, so that when we are at a showing and you're looking at the backyard or looking at things that you can't see, we have those on hand to help you out and see everything at the home.
Yeah, have all your lights on in the house. Have the backyard light on. If you have flashlights of your own, if you have a friend that has their house listed, not with us, but if it's just a friend that you have listed, have that flashlight for them on that back deck. Have that thing lit up. Make it easy on the agent showing. If the agent's fumbling around trying to get that showing going, it never turns out good.
Yeah, or even just your front porch light makes it a whole lot easier too, just to help us get into the home, find the keys, get it open so that we're not fumbling, and things like that. It makes the process go a lot smoother.
Yep, and we'll have down below this video, we'll have the PDF that's in our market presentation of the essential 5-minute cleanup for showings, getting ready to go. We'll include that down below. So have a great month.
Yeah, stay warm.
Bye.